now the party can start. Off 2 days in a row, and I never have off 2 days in a row. Today's Sunday, I have off Monday and Tuesday. I love it. It's basically like the weekend. It's not the actual weekend, but it's my own weekend. So basically today is my Friday, and I'm really excited. I'm leaving work right now. I work 6 to 2, and let me tell you, this 2 days off in a row couldn't be coming at a better time because these past couple of days have been terrible. They've just been so freaking busy and just, it's just been a mess. So I'm really freaking glad now to finally have 2 days off in a row, and I can't wait. I'm so excited, and I thought I would vlog because it's gonna be fun, and I can't wait. So I hope you guys enjoy. Off I go to Mason's. That looks nasty, but I fell asleep, so I didn't vlog it. But we went to Dairy Queen and I got a milkshake, but I didn't drink it because I fell asleep. 4 a.m. McDonald's breakfast run.
Hello.
Legitimately the worst at filming when I grab stuff like Red Bulls or the snacks or whatever. Like, I am so bad at that, and I'm so sorry. I promise I will work on it. I never realize, I always think I'm filming but I'm not looking, so I always think it's good until I look back. I never realize in the moment that it's terrible. I'm so sorry. I swear I will get better at it. I promise. I'm gonna work on it and it's gonna look great. I just have to pay more attention. Mason and I are going to Delaware to visit my aunt. My brother and my parents are in Delaware right now for my brother's orientation for college. They're nearby for it, so they're stopping to have dinner with my aunt, and we are also going to join them. So we're leaving right now, Mason and I, to have dinner with all of them. And here is what we got. I got a iced vanilla berry Red Bull, 12 ounce of course, my fave. And then I got pizza combos, so good. And then Mason got an 8 ounce Juneberry Red Bull, and then peanut M&Ms. So good, so excited, it's gonna be great. He's checking the air in his tires right now. He got gas, we're gonna be good. It's not a far drive, but you can't do any sort of distance over 30 minutes without a snack and a drink. It's just like a law. My chapstick is sticking. It's so awkward. Gosh, I also forgot to mention, but my aunt got a new puppy. His name is George, so we're gonna meet him too. Do you have anything you want to add? Do you have anything you want to add?
It's fucking hot.
It is very hot. Got another snack. He got a Slim Jim.
I love my processed boy slop. So good.
And he finished his Red Bull, so he also got a strawberry lemonade as well. Let me know what you think of that, because I'm curious about that.
Good. I've been drinking them for a decade.
Oh yeah?
They're gas.
We are kind of almost there, but not really. We're less than an hour away.
Yeah, only 50 minutes out. 45 actually.
45. But our time just keeps increasing. Only time will tell. I always try to get the state line sign, but I was lacking, so I missed it. But we're in Delaware now. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hello. Hi. Oh my goodness. Are you so sweet? Oh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Oh, are we camera shy? Already?
She wasn't still on his butt.
Oh my gosh, that is so cute. That was such a cute shot. Oh.
No. Here we go. Ready? Here we go.
Wee. He's so tiny.
That's what Trey said. I didn't think he'd be so small.
Me neither. Oh my goodness.
Excuse me.
Oh my goodness.
Taking a picture video.
Video. Oh.
George, it's not worth it. It's not worth it, buddy.
Yeah.
There's so much to live for. Oh.
That's.
There's that place blue.
Oh.
He's getting adventurous.
I can't get it. Right.
You guys have to see this Target. Look at how big that Target is. Beautiful Target. Guys, guess what I just learned? You'll want to know this too.
What?
2020, like the last day, December 21st, 2020. Okay, I meant December 31st.
Yeah.
Was 2020 days ago.
I think I saw something about that.
Isn't that fucking crazy?
It was something.
It was already weird that we were closer to 2030 than 2020, but what do you mean?
Right.
It was also 20 days ago.
Huh. pretty wild.
Insane. Wild.
They give you a... Oh, here's the massive Target. Look at this fucking thing. It's the big warehouse.
Oh my god, that's a Target warehouse. Holy shit.
I can tell you who that is for the vlog. American Airlines Boeing 787 just took off with a Philly heading to Lisbon.
Oh, where's Lisbon?
I don't know. Going south, so somewhere south.
Well, that's cool. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Oh! Oops.
What?
I dropped the thing into it. He's making a princess like me drive.
Right.
What's a girl to do?
Besides Dairy Queen, when the last time you've driven anywhere?
I don't think that's relevant. Oh, why did you do that?
Hamburger.
Look, it has like the Five Guys wrapping behind it.
Oh, that's cool.
I kind of like it. For next birthday, the big 22. Yeah, I want that. This one's in the shape of a cowboy hat. I like it. Look at what is back. Ah! A Winnie the Pooh thing for my mom. Trying to convince Mason to get this. Thoughts?
This is a glitter one. Wow, they marked it down a whole fucking $1. Wow.
They have a glitter lamp. I still think the torch is cooler. I'm team torch. I don't know about you.
I agree.
So you should get it then. I forgot to mention this, but we got 7 Brew. So good.
I love my red 40.
We are now picking up dinner, and let me tell you, I have the most excellent parking spot. I got the first spot that's not a 15-minute spot and not a handicap spot, and it's right in front of the restaurant. Oh, there's a car. There's the restaurant. There's Mason. Here's me. It's amazing. I got so lucky. We're getting dinner now, and we got tacos. It's Taco Tuesday, and we got tacos. It's gonna be so good. Right, baby?
Yep.
And we're gonna have a lot to carry in. This was an excellent idea, baby. Oh my fucking god.
This is insanity.
excited. This is just, I don't know how to explain it, but this has just brought like such a, my serotonin has peaked. I feel like even that's giving fall vibes too. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, that's so exciting. They also had a Halloween Hello Kitty poster display, but it wasn't like available yet, so I don't know what that's about.
Really?
Yeah. I was looking for you and I was like, where, do you know the song Where's My Husband? That was playing in my head. It was like, baby, where the hell is my husband?
Ah, that thing.
Yeah, that was what was playing in my head as I was looking for you. I noticed as we were leaving that there's more fall floral. Damn. Missed opportunity to stare at fall decorations and geek out over them. Cooking with Ronnie and Mason.
Baking.
We're making chocolate chip cookies and sugar cookies.
This ain't pretty yet.
ASMR. It was pretty satisfying. Oh my god.
Oh, hey, watch out. I think it was gonna fling open like that. I kind of just pulled it.
It's okay, it happens.
It was hinged.
It happens. I probably shouldn't be standing right there. Okay.
Here's yours.
Yours is so much better than mine.
Because you're not mixing it like anything.
I am mixing it. It's just the butter. I'm struggling to get the butter to like mash fully.
Oopsie. Alrighty. Mine's good.
Mine is
Do you
terrible.
want some help?
Yeah.
Dear Lord.
Thank you.
There we go. That's way better. Crumble who?
Yippee, we need a sheet.
It's right here.
No, like aluminum foil.
I suppose. Look at the time and see how much time we gotta put on there.
11 to 13 minutes.
Alright, we'll do 13 because we got a bunch of them in there. Oh! It's good.
Do you want some of this cookie dough? Like the leftover?
Yeah, how much you got left?
This much.
Oh yeah.
You can split that in half easily.
Oh yeah, that works.
Mine are a little uglier than yours are, but that's okay.
Start timer for 14 minutes.
I'm trying to get out of your way and I got worse in your
Right?
Yay!
Very good, very good. Alright. And now we wait. Just to entertain the camera. Right. Alrighty. Now what? Just wait.
Yeah, now we wait.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Ooh.
They're just brown enough last time.
They look really good. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. We did it! Yay! He says they are perfect.
They are indeed.
Say droopy.
It's still toasty.
Cheers.
Yep.
Mmm,
They are cookies.
they're yummy. A perfect chocolate chip fell out intact. Very yummy.
They're pretty good.
Alright, back upstairs we go.
Woohoo! Hell's
Mission
Kitchen.
accomplished.
Mission accomplished. Yummy cookies. I forgot to film an outro, of course, but thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.